Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Previously, we built a simple chatbot using REVE Chat by manually adding quick replies and carousels. In this video, we'll dive into more advanced actions. Businesses often add quick reply buttons or update product carousels manually. To add or modify a product, users must upload an image, enter a title, description, and set buttons every time there's a change. This process works, but it can be time-consuming. The good news is, we can automate this entire process using API actions and dynamic actions. With dynamic actions and API integrations, you can fetch and update data in real time, eliminating manual effort and enhancing your chatbot's efficiency. To get the latest product list, we need to call the API as soon as the chatbot is triggered. So we'll add an API action right after the greeting node and select the appropriate API. Next, we'll add a condition action to check if the API is working properly. If successful, we'll guide the user to the next step. If not, we can set up an alternative flow. Now, let's say our API provides a full product list, where all the different categories of products are given as a single list. Here, as we can see, products of the beauty category as well as the furniture category are available along with others. But we only want to show specific products based on what the user selects. This is where the script action comes in. In the script submenu under Settings, we can write a custom script to filter the API response dynamically. Using scripts, we can modify API responses, filter data, and save only relevant information in an attribute. To test the script, we can provide sample data and check if the script generates a valid response. This helps ensure that the script is working correctly before integrating it into the chatbot flow. This way, our chatbot delivers precise and personalized responses. To show products based on the visitor's selection, each button must have a value assigned to it, and we'll save the visitor's choice in an attribute. Then, using the script action, we'll filter the API response to extract only the products matching the visitor's selection. To showcase the products dynamically, we'll use the dynamic action. After selecting it, we choose the attribute that holds the filtered product list, define the data format, and decide how to display the information. Since we're showcasing products, we'll use the carousel format. Here, we'll map API response variables like title, description, and image to the corresponding sections of the carousel. We can also add up to 3 buttons per card, using either API response data or static values. Sometimes, API responses return more products than can be displayed at once. That's where the extra carousel option comes in. For example, if the API returns 20 products, the chatbot will display 12 in carousel cards and use the 13th card to ask visitors if they want to see more. And for the button we have added to our carousel, we will direct it to the payment flow. Let's test it out and see if it works. Let's provide a name and select a category of products to explore. As you can see, the chatbot is dynamically showcasing products without requiring us to add them manually. And that's how you can automate a chatbot flow using dynamic actions and API integrations. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.